how to sign up or log in to Evernote Note Organizer app. If you want to sign up or log in on the Evernote Note Organizer app, simply go ahead and then launch the Evernote app, and this is the interface we will see by default. Now at the very bottom you can see two options: create account or login. If you already have an account, you could just tap the login button here. You would be taken to this page where you'd be able to go ahead and then basically enter your account details like your email or username, tap on continue and enter your password, or also log in with Google account or Apple ID. If you do not have an account, tap on the create account button instead, and over here you can simply choose the email address that you wish to create an account with, or if you want to continue with your Google account, you can also just tap on continue with Google option right here. Simply select the respective Google account that you wish to create an Evernote account with, and after you've done that, just allow a couple of information that it requires, and then your Evernote account will be successfully created. This way you will be able to sign up or log into the Evernote Note Organizer app. I hope the video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.